Okay, y'all, last example from me, and then you get to practice this on your own, okay? So we are going to deal with sine x plus cosine x, that whole thing squared, plus sine x minus cosine x, that whole thing squared. Okay, what I want y'all to think about, and if you need to, look up at my puppy that's at the front of my room near my desk. You cannot just distribute these squared pieces out, though that would be really nice and convenient. What you have to do is you have to remember that this is the same as this, okay? And this, sine x minus cosine x, that whole thing squared, is the same thing as this, okay? So there's more work to be done here. You have to, I think you guys call it FOIL, or just say double distribute or distribute, multiply it out. So take each piece and you're going to go ahead and multiply this through. So sine times sine, I need to write this bigger so y'all can read it, plus sine x cosine x, and then same here, plus sine x cosine x. And if you have to like draw lines for yourself to remember what pieces you've done and haven't, no judgment here. I totally get it. Okay, so that's that first one that we have gone ahead and distributed that out. Okay, this next one, sine times sine again, sine squared x minus sine x cosine x, that's that. And then here, minus sine x cosine x. So this is minus times a minus, which would be plus cosine squared of x. Okay, so good, you can see all of that. So goodness, this is crazy. But what I want you to start noticing is patterns. So we have a plus sine x cosine x and a minus sine x cosine x. Those two cancel each other out. Then we have another plus sine x cosine x and another minus sine x cosine x. So those cancel out. So now I want you to look at what you're left over with. If you need to pause this, you can do it on your own, that's fine. But what I see I'm left over with is I have sine squared x plus cosine squared x. And then I have another sine squared x, those are gone, plus cosine squared x. Now why did I put those in parentheses? I want you to think, what is sine squared plus cosine squared? 1. Sine squared plus cosine squared, 1. So this entire thing reduces to 1 plus 1. The entire solution to all that mess is 2. I hope y'all are feeling confident because yesterday I was really impressed with how you guys, or I guess it's yesterday to you, today to me now. Anyway, earlier today I was really impressed with how you guys did with these. And truthfully, I was pleasantly surprised with the number of you that typically complain about struggling with things, that you are getting things quickly. So I hope y'all are seeing these patterns. Again, feel free to use your notes. Tomorrow when I come in, we will take another quiz, but using radians instead of degrees like you guys did today. So we'll have a radian quiz, not a degree quiz. Please message me in Canvas with the sick baby. I will be hopefully kind of available near my phone depending on how severe the sickness is. Y'all know how that can go, I hope. All right, I love you all. Hope you did great. 11 through 30 due tomorrow.